What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got something in the mail today that I wanted to share with you guys. I bought another flashlight. Got this off of Amazon. It's from RovyVon. Again, I know you guys, I've said it before, like I just kind of been going through different, I guess, brands, just checking them out and kind of getting a feel for them. This was another one that was on the list of the brands that I wanted to get, and I have a couple more also I want to get. I'm just kind of, I guess, just picking them out because there's so many different, so many different brands. And then of the brands, you have so many different flashlights. So it's kind of like pick and choose and kind of find out, do some research, stuff like that. And that's what I did on this. And I actually, obviously I opened it up in the box. And I opened up just the case, just the lid. And I kind of chuckled to myself when I did it because I wanted to see how it was. Because real quick, when I saw the picture, it was in a person's hand, obviously one picture. And it looked like it was super small, and I thought, well, maybe they just have like super large hands, something like that. And I was like, I have small hands, this should be all right. And I opened it up just to check it out real quick, and I kind of just laughed out loud because it really is as small as it looks. Like, I haven't got anything else. I don't know. I do know what else came with it from the Amazon and everything. Had everything listed of what it came with it and everything, which I kind of why I kind of bought it too. I think this was about 30 bucks though, so it's kind of, I'm going to use it, try it out, see if it's going to be worth that at all. I'm really wondering if it's going to be, because it really is tiny. It is super light though, I'll give them that. I didn't say what kind it was though. It is the Aurora A3 MOA Pro. Again, it's RovyVon. I kind of wanted to check out a little bit bigger one, but this was, I guess, what came in the mail. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's not. But that's all right, though. We'll check it out. I do like RovyVon. Well, I haven't really got to experience them. I've heard good things about them from other people, which is also what kind of led to me getting it. Let's go and check out what else is in the box. I did already look it up online on how to operate it because of past experiences, obviously. So you get a paper clip right here, not a paper clip, just a clip to either clip it to your pocket or, your hat. I think you can clip it to your hat. I think it is reversible too. I read that also, like you could put it either way. So if you want to click it to your pocket, you just clip it on and put it on your pocket. Or if you want to clip it to your hat, turn it the other way and put it on the brim of your hat, and then you can shoot it whatever way you want. So that's kind of cool. And it is magnetic also. There you go. So that's kind of cool though too. Cool little thing. Let's see what else came with it. Let's open it up. It does, I guess, come with an extra USB-C cover right there, just in case you lose it, which is kind of nice. You don't want water or something like that, moisture getting in there. And it did come with 2 key rings, which I thought was kind of weird, but I guess now that I open it up, I can definitely see why. One's definitely a little bit more heavier dutier than the other one. I guess it just depends on what you want and what you like and everything. I personally probably won't put one on there, but that may change. Just because it's so small, I don't know how I want to carry and use it just yet. And then this is supposed to be another magnet in there, and you're supposed to somehow clip it on there. Somehow. There we go. Clips right on there, and you can clip it to things. Obviously, it's pretty light, so it's not going to fall off or anything. It is, I did not tell you guys yet, but I do know, I watched a couple videos on it also, and one person said he thought it was titanium, but so I decided to look it up, because with the price of it and everything, I didn't think that was accurate, but I wasn't for sure. But it is 7075 aluminum alloy. So it is aluminum. I don't know what necessarily like the 7075 mean. I'm not that into detail on stuff like that. Not on like flashlights and stuff. But see what kind of directions it comes with. Alright, so there you go. Those are always important. I'm glad they put that in there. They have all the details, everything for you, magnets and everything. There you go. See, it's even said, wow, I like this because it even says everything, like all the extra bonus stuff it has, like 2-way pocket clip. You can use it for a pocket clip either way, front and back. And obviously you can flip it around, use it for on the brim of your hat also. So I like that it has like all the details and everything for you. And I like that it came with it. I actually look all this stuff up before I even do a video. As soon as I pretty much get it in the mail, I look everything up on how to operate it, because I've been wrong before, or I've been caught with my pants down and no directions. And so this is just like just a little card by them, put your information in there. But yeah, I've been caught with my pants down, and obviously some flashlights are different than others and have more intricate like features and stuff like that. Unlock before first use. Rapid lock. Okay. Okay. 3 locks, 2 locks. Gotcha. Alright, now let's actually get into the flashlight. I'll probably put that on there eventually. It does have 5 modes total. Let's put that right there. Get that out of the way. It does have 5 modes. Wrote it down: moon, low, medium, high, and strobe. And moon is only like 0.5 lumens, so I know that's really low. Okay, let's get it figured out. Okay, there it's on. It's on. Hold it. You know, you hold it down to turn it off, obviously, and then if you hold it down, just lock that button down, it turns on high. And then when you let go, obviously it comes off. So I do know that. So if you want to hold it on, if you don't want it on, like click it on, click it off, stuff like that, you can just have your little thumb on there, your thumb on the little flashlight, and then it'll work. And then when you let go, obviously it releases. Or you can double click and then it goes on. And then in order to go through the different modes, you just click once. And this is the moon mode, so you can't see it is on. So that's moon, that's 0.5. This is low, which is 25 lumens. 200 lumens is medium, and for high, it is 650. And for strobe, now it's off. Well, no, it's not off yet. Moon, it always gets me. There's moon on flashlights. For some reason, I could never see them, and I always leave them on sometimes. Okay, for strobe, you have to do it 3 times. There you go. So that's not too bad. Overall, it's not too bad of a little flashlight. It's not real intricate and everything like that. I do like that it is USB-C. I think that is always a nice feature. I like USB-C. And I've read some reviews that some people said they didn't like the cover. They wish it was a better cover on there for it. They said they still got moisture and water in there and stuff like that, so it's not necessarily waterproof, which it is just a piece of rubber. So you kind of get what you pay for. It was 30 bucks. I like the flashlight. I like RovyVon. I like their other flashlights. I just don't want to pay the price just yet on them when I haven't checked them out. So that's why I kind of went with this one. Here's just a quick change up, but I don't know, 30 bucks. Like you kind of get what you get. See, like these are some of the smaller flashlights I thought I had. And this is just the olight. I think that, what is it, i3T. And I thought this thing was tiny. Well, I was wrong. There you go. But it is kind of cool. I like the color. It's a marble coloring. I had no clue honestly what it was. I had to look it up and see what the color was, what they called it, and they said it was marble. It's not too bad. I like the way it looks. I do like the coloring. I just wish it was bigger. I feel like I could just lose this very easily, and it is. I would say it's not half the weight of this, but it's probably kind of close. But I don't know. If I had to choose, I'd probably go with a different flashlight. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't, you know what I mean? But I would still say it's not a bad flashlight, especially if you want something on your keychain. I would think it would be perfect for your keychain. I think it's a good material for it. It's aluminum, and I don't think it's hopefully going to scratch too bad, like obviously with keys and stuff like that. But if you want it just for a keychain, obviously you're going to know it's probably going to get scratched up, probably, you know, here and there. But for just like a flashlight keychain, a keychain flashlight, I think it would be perfect for you. Just, it's really easy to use and everything like that, and just, yeah, I don't know. Kind of my little spiel on it. Like I said, if I would have probably looked more into it, they had more expensive ones, which is they were probably better overall. And I kind of wish I would have spent a little extra money and got a better one. But I actually do kind of like this in a way. I have a love-hate relationship with it right now, but I am going to carry it. I am going to use it and try it out. But I just can't get over the size. I feel like I'm going to lose it. I have small hands too, just so you know. Like I'm sure everybody knows I say it all the time, but I could really kind of, I don't know. I like one that kind of pops out like this, where you can kind of get your thumb right there and the light shines out. That's how I tend to carry my flashlights most of the time. And obviously you're not going to get a thumb right there. This is just something small and So this is kind of new for me. Usually I don't have this. The only one I have kind of like this actually is the Olight arc field. It's kind of the same in a way, obviously quite a bit different in size and obviously features. But usually I buy the thumb press. I like those. Kind of just easier for me. But yeah, I'm gonna try it out, let you guys know how it is. Again, RovyVon Aurora A3 MOA Pro. Check it out if you want to. Yeah, that's all I got. If you have any comments, leave a comment. Hopefully I'm gonna check out I'm gonna probably butcher the name, a RovyVon, or W-U-B-E-N. I think that's how I spell it. I'm gonna check out one of their flashlights. Hopefully get one and check it out, see how well it is. And I like all my flashlights so far for the most part. I think this one may be on the lower end of it, but we will find out. I think it probably still has its features. There's good features and good use out of it. We'll just have to find out though. Yeah, like I said, leave a comment or like the video.